over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force these thoughts to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal.
No be small thing happen for inside court today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu almost scatter everywhere. He almost scattered the court today. He tell Justice Binta Nyako to her face that, my lord, you do not have the knowledge of the Nigerian law. This is very, very shameful, guy. This is big disgrace. Imagine telling a judge that you don't have the knowledge of what you are studying. Don't be smart, you know. You get a CV. Anyway, I don't pity her because she brought it upon herself. Kanu said that Justice Binta Nyako's husband and her pikin, they are facing corruption charges in Nigeria, and the one I use Kanu's case as a bargaining chip with the Nigerian government so that they can free the pikin and they can free the husband. No be juju be that. Wow. Anyway, trade my people, Nigeria, it don't go. Anyways, let me allow you guys to watch this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to keep following us, and I'll see you guys later on.
He did me something in my case. I accused him. He was conscious official. I asked him to accuse himself. Why did the chief judge not insist I must hear it? He left my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with this, then you need to go and appeal.
No, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order. You have accused yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are conscious official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force these courts to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. A woman should do the right thing. A chairman of the board of Binta's prosecution is impropriety. Nowhere in the world is such nonsense done. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're proceeding a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is not a court of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must take my case. You cannot buy me. This man is not paying attention. There is an order of recusal, and he's a senior advocate, for goodness sake. There's an order of recusal. Is that not the rule of law? The law says if you disagree with this, you go and appeal. You are a grown-up man. Because of 300 million, you're behaving like a child. Go and appeal. Because of money. Because of money they're paying you from ABF surface, you are here standing and smoking evil. Because of money. A grown-up man like you say you have to behave like a man of honor. The rule of law says you go and appeal. His Lordship Binta will not try my case. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you that now. So stop wasting your time.
So that I said the view of the past that the defendant has indicated that he will not make a formal application. I apply that the motion give us a 70-day for hearing.
You are not well. You are not well. I'm telling you, this is what I'm not well. This is an order of court. An order of court says Justice Binta Nyako is recused. An order of court. Order she made as an order. The same Chief Justice writing the stupid memo he's writing. I recused him. He was conscious official. He sat on appeal. I took him to NJC. I recused him. Why did he not say I must sit on your case? Why in the case of his lordship is he insisting? He wants to embarrass her. He wants to embarrass your lordship by asking her to come and sit on this case. Is that what you're saying? There's an order. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. Give him an order of court. It's an order of court. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. And It's an order of court.
I take your permission.
It's an order of court.
I take your permission to address you. But let me tell the defendants that in every sin life, there's need for wisdom. And wisdom is very important in this matter.
And telling lies.
It is not right for you to be insulting the teacher.
If you insult yourself, I will insult you. If you have no respect for yourself, I will insult you. Because you people are telling the law, when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, you turn the law upside down. The law says one thing. If the law says this paper is white, when I go to court, they say it's black. When I say it's black, they say it's white. Is that law? I'm asking you, a senior advocate of Nigeria, is that law? The memo from Chief Judge is memo from Chief Judge sufficient to set aside and a court order? The answer is no. Why do you want to change the law in my own case? His Lordship, Justice Binta Nyako, stand recused in my case. Cannot try me. Why don't you get it? Give me your definite date for trial so you can do your mathematics you always do. People without shame. I have here before me for the benefit of Chief Awomolo because it seems he doesn't know the law. So I will tell him, this is national judicial policy of this country. Please give them a copy each. National judicial policy of Nigeria. National judicial policy. I will tell you what it says. Because you don't know, I will tell you. Talking about memo from the Chief Judge of the High Court. Judicial policy of Nigeria. 1C. I'm reading. Robert. In the performance of judicial functions, the judge is subject only to the law and must only consider the law. The rule of law in every common law jurisdiction in the world is that once an order of court is entered, the only way to set it aside is by going on appeal. That's the rule of law. So the senior advocate, you don't know. I will go to see. A judge must not take or attempt to take orders or instructions of any kind from anyone, even the chief judge, from anybody that may influence his decisions in the performance of judicial function. It means that his lordship, having entered an order of court, a decision between myself and her.
So guys, after watching Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court today, I began to wonder if Nigerian judges know what they are doing, if they know the implication of what they are doing. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too much because this thing, they vex me well. I mean, how can you be presiding over this case that you have already been rescued yourself from? Anyway, so this person wrote, Nigeria and its criminal justice system. Now, until you reach your turn, now that time you go no say very dark man a person. For now, keep saying negative things about this man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, until it reach your turn. If the system finish with you, you and your family members, human rights activists, okay? And this person wrote, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was tutoring Chief Justice Binta Nyako and the prosecution team in court today, they turned off the lights in the court so that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be able to read out the laws again from the book. The laws they don't know, instead of them to come. Okay, and then this person wrote, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again insists Binta Nyako has rescued herself and has no right to sit on his case. He maintained that Binta Nyako recuser is a binding order of the court that only appeal court can set aside. Okay, and watch as he make a compelling argument that cannot be disputed legally. Okay, and this person wrote, Biafra leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu decimated the Nigerian government and Justice Binta Nyako at the Nigerian Federal High Court Abuja today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I will demolish Nigeria with the truth in their court of law. Not be small thing. And then from this person, I don't understand this Nigerian judiciary rhetorics. You have been rescued from a case. Why not go and appeal, or better still, recuse yourself from the case? Why is she still insisting on disobeying a court order? Binta Nyako has no jurisdiction whatsoever to try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All right, and from this last one, it summarized the key issue. Said there are several key factors, key issues, that arise from the trial of mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Firstly, the lack of a prima facie case against Kanu raises concerns about the validity of the charges. Secondly, the impartiality of Justice Binta Nyako has been called into question, which could impact the fairness of the trial. Finally, the trial has been criticized by human rights organizations, who argue that Kanu's detention is arbitrary and that he is being denied his right to a fair trial. So in conclusion, guys, in light of the recent development, it is proposed that the case against Kanu be discontinued. The Nigerian government should respect Kanu's rights to a fair trial and consider alternative solutions that address the underlying issues driving the conflict. Ultimately, the trial of Nnamdi Kanu highlights the need for the Nigerian government to ensure that the rights of its citizens are protected, included in their right to a fair trial. So guys, they talk say after mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk say Binta did not know, doesn't have the knowledge of the Nigerian law. They Kukuma adjourned she adjourned the case indefinitely, so we really don't know when they're going to call on. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your time. Free Nnamdi Kanu, this is what we have been talking about since how many years now this guy has been in detention, and the federal government, they can't even come out and say this is what he committed. So thank you for watching, thank you for your time. Please kindly like this video, share, continue to support us, continue to subscribe, and turn your post notification on. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.
Never drop. You say you won't do lawsuit. All these ratters. Eh? Allow the thing drop now. Watch am first. You don't go watch am before you say you won't do lawsuit. I beg, Mona help me push am. Push this boy. Push una president. Very dark man. I beg. Make he sue me. Make he fight me now. All the people when they fight, they progress. See Yabo Ojo now. Everywhere good for am. His daughter they marry. See blessing CEO. Collect new car, get new husband. Everywhere good. See Mercy Chiwo. Perform for over 500,000 people. I beg now. Make he sue me now. I've been donating to this NGO. I never see benefits. I beg. See, at least if he swear, if he invest for me now, or he sue me, or at least maybe something good will come. Maybe something good will come my way. I beg now. Everywhere good. We are here. Now, some people are saying that D1, we are with you. They are sending me evidences. Please don't send that. All those ones where they say I get. The one where I no get safe, I get them. So that evidence, just hold them. So I say, D1, look at this video in case they don't worry. Everywhere good. D1 here, my people. Shalom. I don't get anything to lose. I don't get anything to lose. File the lawsuit. We are here. We are waiting. Everywhere good.